Hello, ladies and gents. Today we're doing kind of a different style video, and it's regarding an exhaust. So I have everything set up here. I did a search on bylaws, my local bylaws, and according to my city, well, I'm just outside of Toronto, but according to the city of Toronto, the acceptable noise for a motorcycle is 92 dB at idle, measured at 50 centimeters from the exhaust outlet. So basically, what I did is I'm doing my own test here. So as you can see, we're at 50 centimeters from the exhaust diagonally, about 45-degree angle. And what I want to do is I want to measure the exhaust loudness with the stock pipes. And then once the exhaust gets here, it's supposed to get here tomorrow, I will be swapping the exhaust out, and we'll do the same measurement at the same spot outside of the garage. So there's no echo, there's no bouncing around on the sound to affect the measuring. So we're going to check out the differences between stock and the aftermarket exhaust and see how it turns out. All right, so we have the bike started, and this is all factory. There's stock exhaust, no mods done to it. And at idle, we're looking at around 78. So that's at 50 centimeters. The distance from the mic. Now, keep in mind, this is an app on the phone. It's not an actual meter, so I'm not sure how accurate this is, but this is the best that we have. This is what we got to work with. I can't imagine it's going to be that far off, 1 or 2 dBs, but it's just to get a rough idea. So let's see, with changing the RPMs, changing the volume, because I do believe that when they pull you over, they meter the bike on idle, and then they meter the bike on 2,000 RPM or 3,000 RPM. So we're going to test all of them. So I'm going to set the camera here. Hopefully you can see it. That's at 2,000 RPM. That's at 3,000 RPM. All right, so I guess we'll wait until the new exhaust comes in and swap it out. It's just a tailpipe. It's the Werks exhaust. It's supposed to be a very loud, nice sounding exhaust. So we'll see what it sounds like. All right, guys. So it's the next day now, and we got the bike all set up. And I was planning on filming the whole process here of taking out the exhaust and installing the new one, because this is a new bike. I really doubt that there are going to be any issues. There's no rust on any of the screws. There's no many cycles that the engine has run, hot cold, which is what kind of like seizes up bolts and nuts. So I don't really think I'm going to have any issues. So I'm just going to save you guys the monotony of watching me unscrew things. Now, this is a 2025 model, and a lot of people online have said 2025 models, because of the Euro emissions, have 202 sensors. I took the exhaust down before to make sure, because the aftermarket exhaust only has 102 sensor. So I confirmed that with a dealer. I confirmed that by taking the exhaust down a couple weeks ago. And definitely this particular bike, along with, I believe, all the Rocket 3's 2025 models in North America, do come with 102 sensor. All right, so just like that, the exhaust is installed. So I have the same test that we did yesterday with a stock exhaust. So I have the same app, and we're at 50 centimeters away from the, or 20 inches roughly, away from the exhaust diagonally. So let's start it up. And yeah, it definitely sounds awesome. And right away, you can see a huge difference. So we're gonna start with 2,000. And now at 3,000. Sounds really good. It's definitely louder than stock. Definitely sounds amazing compared to stock. I'm really happy with this purchase. Sounds great. And I did get the silencer, so I'm gonna show you guys the silencers that came with it, the DB killers. I haven't installed them. They also came in black, so that's the cool thing about competition Werks. What they did is they allow you to pick up everything black for a blacked out bike. So even this, so this would go in here, and basically it's supposed to quiet the bike down. I don't know. We'll see if I ever get sick of the sound. If it starts to ring in my ears on long rides, I might decide to put them in. We'll see. Definitely sounds great. Looks great. Yeah, the fit and finish is perfect. Looks amazing. Matches the bike. And yeah, I'm really happy with this purchase. It does leave a gap on the other side. So kind of makes it look like something is missing, which it is. But we'll see. Maybe they have some carbon fiber piece to go in there. I left the bracket. Show you guys this bracket right here. So I left this here just in case I find something that I can actually screw here, maybe a carbon fiber piece, something like this, or something like this, that will kind of cover this gap here, just to make it look awesome from both sides. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you soon. Ciao.